A man in a boat is stuck in the middle of a lake. In an attempt to reach the shore, 60 meters away, the man throws an object of mass, 1 kilograms, horizontally at a velocity of 10 meters per second east, as shown in the diagram below. Now, the combination mass of the man and the boat is 100 kilograms. The effect of air resistance and the friction between the water and the boat can be ignored. Hmm. Now, nansi indaba. Nangu umuntu ostakile lapha emanzini ufuna ukuyofika phambili. So, uphosa i-object e-1 kilograms. So, kusho ukuthi ufuna ukuyofika somewhere and lapho ku-60 meters. Njengoba ephosa le object le ayiphosayo. So ithi indaba, write down the principle of conservation of linear momentum in weights. Izothi the total linear momentum of an isolated system remain constant. How will the force exerted on an object compare with the force exerted on the man-boat combination? Choose from greater than, smaller than, or equal to. So ukhumbule, according to Newton's third law, if you apply a force on an object and that object is applying an equal force of equal magnitude but in opposite direction. So kuzoba equal. So if force apply yilo muntu kulento ayiphosayo, nayo le nto imphusha ngayo leyo force leyo ngokulinganayo but in opposite direction. Okay. So bekuzofanele ukhethe equal laphaya bese usho ukuthi-ke when object A exerts a force on object B, object B will simultaneously exert an oppositely directed force of equal magnitude on object A. Fanele kusho Newton's third law la ku 4.3 must explain ukuthi why it was equal to. Okay, lana-ke ku 4.4 bathi calculate the time the man-boat combination will take to reach the shore after the man throw the object. So kuzothatha isikhathi esingakanani-ke ukuthi lo muntu nale boat befike osebeni lomfula. Ake si-check-ke. Esikwaziyo thina mas-analyzer mawubheka la bekuyi-boat nomuntu phakathi ngakusemanzini ne-object initial bebemile. Uthe mayesefuna ukuthi kube khona i-movement ebakhona wayesephosa le-object. Shuthi after sebezohlukana, object seyiyodwa. So indaba izothini-ke? Izothi sum of momentous before is equal to sum of momentous after. Initially singasho sithi lo u-A, singasho sithi loyana u-B. U-A no-B initial bebehlangene behamba nge-velocity eyodwa. After sino-MVA final plus MVB final sebehlukene ama-object. So ama-masses wakhona intwana sino 100 plus u-1 velocity bebemile. Now final sino 100 sinayo yini i-velocity ye-man and boat combination? No. Sinayo plus 1 times. So lo yakwa-right, so kuya kwa-right kunjani? Positive. So bani? Positive 10. So lana sino 0, sino 100 VAF plus 10. Thatha u-10 ayingaliya, kuzoba negative 10, 100 VAAF divided by 100 on both sides. Lo ukhansela loya. VAAF kuzoba minus 0,1 meters per second. Okubani? Oku 0,1 meters per second to the left. Okusho ukuthini? Okusho ukuthi singayibeka ngapha lento yethu le, lo 60 meters. Okusho ukuthi ngoba le ndoda iphosa le object le, yona izomuva iye le kwa-left. Ngoba le object njengoba iphushela kwa-right, yona le ndoda iphushwa isiwa kuphi? Kwa-left le object, ingakho kuzoba khona i-movement iye le kwa-left. So izohamba lo 60 meters iziyofika kuphi? O7 lomfula. Now izobe ihamba ngayiphi i-velocity? Izobe ihamba ngalo 0,1 iziyofika laphaya fanele ifike khona. Now ithi-ke indaba, calculate the magnitude. Oh, asikaqeda ukucalculate la. Lana kuthiwa calculate the time that the man boat combination will take to reach the shore after the man through the object. Khona le formula le yaka grade 9 ethi DST loyana kwa grade 12 sithi unaphuzana delta x lona kwesinye isikhathi sithi delta v, kwesinye isikhathi sithi v lona sithi delta t isikhathi esiningi-ke, but you can say v akunankinga la. Ukhumbuleke sinayo ishandisi, sinayo i-distance, sinaso ini, sinaso i-speed, shoda ngesikhathi. So delta t is equal to distance over speed, or ungasho ukuthi v mawuthanda. Senze kube v. I-distance yethu kuzoba 60 meters, speed sethu kuzoba 0,1, manje kuzoba 600 seconds. So sesuphendule lo mbuzo ka-6 marks. Ungasebenzisa le formula le, dx is equal to vi delta t plus half a change in t squared. Yonke le part le iba u-0 ngoba leya velocity leyana ayizukushintsha. Le object izohamba isiziyofika laphana osebeni lomfula ngale velocity. Should i-velocity yethu izoba constant after the collision. So uma ngabe i-velocity constant loya u-a uzoba ubani? Uzoba u-0. Then you can make delta t abe yi-subject of the formula. Then you solve delta t uzoba uba. If awuyikhumbuli leya grade 9. Ngenza leya part leya ibe u-0 yonke leya. Okay, siyeke leyo ndaba. Ithi-ke calculate the magnitude of the impulse of the object that was thrown. I-impulse, siyayazi impulse momentum equation. Siyayazi impulse momentum equation. So sijwayele ukunaka le part le enani engathi nje ene-information eningi kakhulu bese sisebenzisa yona. Sinama-option amabili kwi-impulse momentum equation. Impulse is equal to F net times change in t. Sinayo F net asinayo, sinayo change in t. esinayo. Now, is equal to change in momentum. Mhlambe le part le change in momentum singayisebenzisa. Masivula kuzoba M. Mhlambe siqale siyivule nje kanje ngamabomu ngoba kuyenzeka besinikeze in this form momentum final minus momentum initial. Ku-MV final minus MV initial. So ingakho sigcina sesino-M V final minus V initial. I-mass sikhuluma ngobani? Of an object. Bafuna i-impulse of the object. I-object yethu ubani? U-1 kg. Final velocity object yethu ubani? U-10. Khumbule sikhetha ukuya right as positive, ingakho sino-positive 10. Initial bekubani? Beku-0. So ingakho sizogcina sinobani? Sino-10 kilograms meters per second. So ama-unit e-impulse lawo. Uma uthanda ungathi 10 newtons second. Avelaphi lama-unit? Avela laphaya. Angithi impulse sithe ilingana no-F net times change in time. F net ulingana noba newtons. Change in time ulingana noba second. Yebo indaba. So ikanjalo le ndaba le. Naye futhi lo uyakwazi ukumusa laphaya kilograms meters per second. Ukhumbule phela u-F net change in time. F net ulingana ne-mass times acceleration times change in time lo wapho. I-mass ubani u-kilograms, acceleration ubani meters per square second times loyana ubani u-second. Ama-rules we-maths athini? Multiplying powers of the same base, you take one base and add the exponent. So -2 plus 1 kuzoba -1. So these are the units of what? Of an impulse. Mhlambe lokho bangakubuza khona kuphi? Kwi-multiple choice. Kufanele ukwazi ukwekha out ukuthi why lama-unit elingana. Okay, sedlule lapho.